I'm here to review this 5-pack of Zingvi moisture wicking athletic polos. I personally bought these for golf because I've been playing a lot this year and I wanted to have all the colors that I like to just match any pair of shorts or shoes and hat that I want. And this 5-pack has given me a lot of options to mix and match however I want. I'm 6'7", 220 pounds, and this is a large right here. And as you can see, it runs pretty long and it fits my long torso just right. So if you're a little shorter, you might want to try a smaller size. But the material is super lightweight mesh and it's very breathable and flexible, which works great for golf or physical activities. Here's the olive color shirt, and I'm a big fan of the collar and how it holds its form. I've had these for a while now, and the material on them doesn't get creased and disformed like a lot of other polos that I have. Here's the navy version of the shirt, and as you can see, it comes with 3 buttons, which you can adjust based on the occasion or the weather. Here's the gray or charcoal version, and one of the features of this shirt that's kind of unique is the stripe that goes along the shoulder and the side of the shirt. Here's the white version, and this is a look at the back of the shirt. And also, these shirts go well with a white tee underneath, as a lot of people like to wear.